Rogers routers, especially newer Ignite gateways like the XB8 and XB9, offer the ability to toggle 5G on or off. Here's how. Access your router settings via the Rogers Ignite app, available on iOS and Android, through the web interface at ignitewifi.com, or by directly entering your router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1, into your browser. Navigate to the Settings section, then look for Network, and finally Cellular or 5G mode. You'll find a toggle to enable or disable 5G. Disabling 5G can be useful to force the router to use LTE for more stable connections in areas with poor 5G coverage, or to conserve battery life on connected devices. Keep in mind that you need a Rogers plan with 5G support, such as Ignite 75 Plus plans, to utilize this feature. A router restart might be necessary after making changes for them to take effect. Band steering is a feature that automatically directs your devices to the best available frequency band, such as 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or 6 GHz Wi-Fi bands, and can even utilize the 5G cellular band for mobile data. This prevents congestion on slower bands and optimizes network performance. Rogers routers typically have band steering enabled by default. The router scans device capabilities and signal strength, steering devices based on preset rules. You can usually adjust these settings in Advanced Wi-Fi Settings under Band Steering, where you might find options to disable it for specific devices if needed. Complementary to this, you can also adjust settings on your connected devices, such as the preferred network type on Android or Wi-Fi band selection on iOS, to ensure seamless transitions between Wi-Fi and 5G when using Rogers routers. Rogers is integrating AI-driven steering into router firmware updates, which will analyze user behavior to optimize band selection and performance.